Hi guys, I 3D printed this backpack. Let me show you guys how I did it. Hella loud. So today is day 13 of 3D printing my Coachella outfit. This is part of my backpack and I have all of my parts printed. So let me put it together with you. This is like the backpack. Is it giving backpack? What I have to do next is glue this onto the backpack. This is gonna be mock-up number 2 because I have to make it again because I don't know why I didn't just 3D make this thicker and not have to make a separate container for it. But let's just glue it together. Okay, I just finished super gluing everything. See on the sides. Glue it. The strap side. Is it cute? Okay, this is the finished mock-up version of my backpack.